Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Fit. So this is something interesting that someone dropped off on my dad's porch. My dad loves old radios, and people keep bringing him old radios. This is the kind of technology that, while being very cool, is not exactly worth any money because just nobody's interested in the tech. Nobody needs the tech. But some of these tubes do go for quite a bit of money. What really impresses me about this is somebody built this basically from scratch. It looks like they used a peach crate and maybe just some planks from somewhere. Threw it together with wood. Got some channels on here. Here are the headphones. Here are the frickin' headphones. You gotta screw them in. You gotta screw in your headphones. My goodness. My goodness. That just blows me away. It blows me away. Just the fact that somebody put this together and did all this. These are supposed to be the different bands, or at least I was told there's the different bands. Like, you want AM, you want FM. Like, here's your FM. Oh, you want shortwave? Well, here it is. And that also blows me away. These I've never seen anything like these before. And my folks have carried a lot of old radios with them. So here's what we got on the back. Mic. I wonder if that stands for microphone or something. But why would you want... Oh, they have a ground on here. And there's the antenna. 2 pounds, Canadian, something or other. You just gotta respect the workmanship of it. Somebody built a radio out of knobs and little bits. And it's just so inspiring. It's just amazing. It's one of those things that you don't really have a use for it, but you don't want to throw it out because it's so... wow. Someone put this... Like, if someone has put a car together, it just makes some people step back and go, whoa, really? Okay, let's get a close look at the front now. So one thing my dad couldn't explain to me about this is if this was the volume, and if this was the station... then how come I got like CKNX, CBL, and just stop? It doesn't make any sense to me. I would have imagined this is what they've used to change the station with. Oh, that's interesting. You have a little bit of tinfoil on there. I wonder if that's shielding of some sort. So we definitely got more going on down there in the bottom. Now these days anyone can get like a breadboard together, a few things, get a kit, and then make a unit. 6 volts. Yeah, it says B, 6 volts. So I need a B-size battery with that. And again, B-size batteries are used for old radios and for bicycle lights. And man, it's just, you want a different band, you just get one of these. It's amazing. I love this old kind of technology. This is almost folk art to me by now, by this point. Could you imagine someone building a computer, like building a motherboard out of nothing? Somebody spent a lot of time on this. I wonder if they used it. It's damn near romantic. What can I say? Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech. Let's like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, take care of each other, folks.